Part 284C3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p34l. This is line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p34l. Quantization, Feynman, 3 Vertex 5G Wow Seti. There's our alien radio signal, and this is about quantum transport, 3 Vertex propeller equations, and a UFO spaceship from the Wow data. January 26, 2013. Today is February the 11th. We're still working on the keywords from BET Brunauer-Emmett-Teller that led to Arrhenius law, and that was from line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p33 Brunauer-Emmett-Teller Raney nickel metals 5G Wow Seti. On February 3rd, we worked on the keywords Newton's law and classical wave. Equation leads to keyword wave velocity, then pulse wave velocity and velocity of the forward traveling wave from previous video, line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e 13c9c6d3p34k. Witten's cubic open string field theory is 5G Wow Seti. Quotes from wiki is quantization. To consistently quantize, S with little symbol, one has to fix a gauge. The attritional choice by Feynman-Siegel gauge is this little thing. Because the gauge transformations are themselves redundant, there are gauge transformations of the gauge transformations. The gauge fixing procedure requires introducing the infinite number of ghosts via the BV formalism. So the complete gauge fix option is given by this equation, where the field, a little thingy there, is now allowed to be of arbitrary ghost number. In this gauge, the Feynman diagrams are constructed from a single propagator and vertex. Propagator takes the form of a strip of worldsheet of width, pi, and length t. There's also an insertion of an integral of the B ghost along the red line. The modulus t is integrated from 0 to an 8 that's on its side. The 3 vertex can be described as a way of gluing 3 propagators together as shown in the following picture. Now that to me looks like a propeller. In order to represent the vertex, it's like a propeller with a Y formation on its side. Vertex embedded in 3 dimensions, the propagators have been folded in half along their midpoints. The resulting geometry is completely flat except for, I wonder if you could make propellers that look like this. I wonder what it would do if you did a double bladed for each propeller. I wonder if it would change it. I wonder if anybody's tried that. The propagators have been folded in half along their midpoints. The resulting geometry is completely flat except for a single curvature, singularly where the midpoints of the 3 propagators meet. These Feynman diagrams generate a complete cover of the moduli space of open string scattering diagrams. It follows that for on-shell amplitudes, the endpoint open string amplitudes computed using Witten's open string field theory are identical to those computed using standard worldsheet methods. My thoughts. The 3 vertex is propellers for airlift techniques for the UFO flight patterns. The keyword blank is in the next video. What did I do? Okay, so the next keyword is going to be supersymmetric covariant open string field theories. Sorry about that. Sometimes I get in such a hurry I miss something. Okay, well, thanks for watching this.